Okay. Baca sama. Ya, Bang. Right.
How you doing?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm great.
That's what I mean.
Come on, man. That's it.
I'm sick.
Nicholas and Adiku will 10. Is it GoPro?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like the window.
Thank you.
5, next spot. Stop is San Diego. Underway here in about 5.
We greatly appreciate your attention. We're going to fly over to San Diego. As a reminder, please wear headphones.
Inside California.
Hey, how you doing, man?
This is San Diego. Wow. And your train. Train a funny part. And your train a fire. Yeah. San Diego.
In case you missed out this year's ABEiiKU conference, oh, you've done yourself really bad.
And I'm saying, no, Oko Raymond can be an 331. And you will be a.
I'm Matilda. I have you with me. We're on our way to ABEiiKU. We just landed at California, San Diego to precise. See you at ABEiiKU. GS! Yay!
Wow.
And then when we add the last, will be Nicholas.
Nicholas, yeah.
What's the last number?
Really?
Yeah.
Going to the 31st.
Oh my god, it's 31 actually.
Yeah, 31.
37.
36, 37, 39, 40.
Like a slob.
Masood needs God right now.
Okay, so Nicholas, you good?
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, hello. Inside the beach conference, Honolulu, Hawaii. Yeah, educated in the mix, yeah.
That's right.
Center, yeah. A yellow nana said, oh, bunny. We need to have some lunch, you know.
Actually, I quit the Sabbath. I mean, forget to bro from the common room and come off.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, the boys are inside. Warm up. Yeah, cordial for you. Yeah. A lot. Yeah. Yeah, so this is systematically to review on affordable housing prices in the state of New Mexico. I'm a student and he wants to know much about my research or my poster presentation. So basically my poster presentation is on affordable housing prices. One of the problems that we are facing in the US is on housing. First, look or investigate and look at the primary factors contributing to these houses. That is it only on houses being expensive or people are not working, that is why they are not able to afford homes. And also look at the impact of the affordable housing crisis and explore innovative housing solutions to this. And so you
I saw it.
Yeah?
Oh, 9 hours. 9 to 10. 9 to 4. Hey, 9 to 10.
9 to 10. Yeah, we having fun, man. You're quite. Alright, we're good. Educated, we're good. Yeah. You better quick. First.
Yes, serious.
Educated coach. You want to chop quite low.